So in today's video I thought I'd do a really fun upbeat video, not one of my longer videos, where I'm basically based in my dressing room. So this room is the smallest bedroom in the house. I basically transformed it into a tiny walk-in closet. Now it's very small, it's a box room. It's not the biggest walk-in closet you're gonna see, and I didn't really intend for it to be, actually. I just wanted somewhere to store my clothes. I used to be a massive shopaholic. I'm not anymore, but what I found is, because I live in a fairly large space, I didn't want to have clothes in my bedroom. So this space stores all my clothing, my coats, my shoes, sheets, what else, curtains, everything that's fabric related is in this room. So without further ado, I want to make this video quick. Welcome to the tour. So as you walk into the room, this is the main part of the wardrobe that you'll see. Here I have my long dresses in this section here, because it goes right down to the floor. And I've got all my jogging tops and thicker things stored here, and t-shirts. And then I've got my scarves, belts, skirts and stuff there. So how the unit comes, there's two sections, one here, one there, a longer section there, and then over here, really ideal, I've got all my little bits and pieces stored in that section there. So I think this system is really effective and so affordable. I'm gonna link the actual item name on the screen somewhere here and then I'll put the cost as well. So this was super affordable. So if you look up here, what I did in order to store my my house stuff, so this box has the bits, the mats for the bathroom, this has towels, and these two have sheets. Now these units I got from Homebase, so I'll link the prices on the screen. And this is my laundry basket. This I got from IKEA. How beautiful is that? Now literally these bits here, obviously they're the same as these, and yeah, I just, you know, did a bit of ingenuity there. Just thought, why am I wasting all of this space? Let me just store things up there, and I think it works quite nicely. So as you move across the room, here you have another unit. Now this unit is made of plastic. It's all plastic, it all clicks together. This one requires a little bit more building, but again, it's from IKEA. And I'll give you I'll scroll. Now obviously this unit is a lot bigger than that unit. It goes almost all the way up to the ceiling, and I think again it's quite functional. It's a lot sturdier than the other one. So yeah, there's a lot of metal work and woodwork here, so that makes it more sturdy. I've just stored my shorter tops and skirts here. Sorry about the sun. And I've got my, what do I have here? My little dresses and stuff. Yeah, they're stored there. There's a longer section here. So I've just used that to store my shawls, and what else is in here? My cardigans and stuff. And as you can see in here, my iron. And then it has these little sections here. So I've got all my jeans and my trousers. This is why I don't need to shop ever again. Look how much clothes I have. Okay, so as you go across the room, these frames are literally, oh my god, the sun. These frames are literally from Dunelm, and I've got my style icons in here. Let's see if you can pick these up. Yeah, here we go. I might do it this way. Yeah, these are my style icons. That's my little mannequin head for wig making, and also because a little bit of a carnival junkie, so I travel to some of the islands and I play mass, so this was the last costume that I wore in Trinidad and Tobago. This is my view, you guys. Oh my god, look, I have the best view. The camera's not even picking it up, but over there you can kind of see the playground, and it's a little hill, and it's really beautiful. Okay, now the other side of the room, like I said, this is a small room. By the way, I love ears. I like putting things on my head. So yeah, let me back up a bit. This is another unit, and it works like that. So it's like the unit on the other side of the room, which is plastic. So these ones are not as sturdy as the metal and wooden one. So I've just got my hats in here. This one I just used to store my hats and my little bits and pieces. Wigs are in there, more wigs or whatever, and then these are my house slippers. Bit of hair. And yeah, I've just got all my coats in here. So actually I think this is pretty minimal, the amount of stuff that I had to get rid of. Now this unit comes with 2 sections here, and I've just got my bags. Let me right, make that look a bit neater. So I've just got my bags stored here and more bags down there, and then I've just got my pulley there. And then here I've got on the back of the door like an over door hanger, and I just put my bits that I've worn in a day, I just put them there to air out, because I'm not about that life just washing clothes all the time. They don't need to be washed necessarily. And then I'm not going to put things straight back into my wardrobe. They need to air out. It's a Caribbean thing. This is, I think, it's my favorite part of the room. This can be painted. I got it from Argos. I'll link it across the screen. I think they're $5.99 each. They can be painted. I just can't be bothered. It's too much work. I ain't got that kind of time. I got money to make. So yeah, I've literally left them like that, but they can be painted. Favorite shoes have to be these. Oh my goodness. They're from Primark. And when I tell you, this is the fluffy bit from a hat. Where is the hat? The fluffy bits from that hat there, I stuck them on there on my shoe, and these shoes are like £5 from Primark. But yeah, this is my DIY transformation. Shoes that I've worn once, but I love them. They're lace ups. But yeah, literally that is it. That is how I'm making a small box room work as a walk-in closet, and you can do it on a budget. I think combined, everything in here, in terms of all the units I've used to hang things up, they probably came up to around £300. Not even joking. So you can have a walk-in closet if you have the space, seriously on a budget, for under £500. And I've left the floor as it was. I'll show ya. I haven't done anything, so I've really managed to keep my costs low. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for touring my little closet with me, and yeah, stay blessed.